Graphical representation of motion. Velocity time graph. The variation in velocity with time for an object moving in a straight line. Time is taking along x-axis and velocity is taking along y-axis. In uniform speed. The speed of a body is constant, or we can say that the speed does not change with time and hence there is no acceleration. So a speed time graph for a body moving with constant speed or uniform speed is a straight line parallel to the time axis. In other words, if the speed time graph of a body is a straight line parallel to time axis, then the speed of the body is constant or uniform. Since the speed of the body is constant or uniform, there is no acceleration, and hence there is no question of finding the acceleration from such a speed time graph. We can also say that in a velocity time graph, the area enclosed by the velocity time graph curve and the time axis give the distance traveled by the object. So the distance traveled is equal to area of rectangle. This graph shows the speed versus time for a ball rolling at constant speed on a level floor. On a speed versus time graph, constant speed is shown with a straight horizontal line. If you look at the speed on the y-axis, you see that the ball is moving at 1 meter per second. Let us take an example. Maria walks at a constant speed of 6 meter per second for 5 seconds. Then she runs at a constant speed of 10 meter per second for 5 seconds. Create a speed time graph using her data. In this question, Maria walks initially at a constant speed of 6 meter per second for 5 seconds. So the graph will be constant for first journey, and then she runs at a constant speed of 10 meter per second for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, she increases her speed. If a speed versus time graph slopes up, then the speed is increasing, and if it slopes down, then the speed is decreasing. If the graph is horizontal, then the object is moving at a constant speed. Let us take an example. Look at the graph. Albert, Bob, Charlie are three racers and covers a distance of 100 meters in different interval of time. So question first is, which runner won the race? Look at the graph. The steeper the slope, speed is also high. And in the slope of Albert, it travels 100 meters in 12 seconds, and Bob travels 100 meters in 14 seconds, and Charlie travels 100 meters in 17 seconds. So the Albert won the race. Next question is, which runner stopped for a rest? Charlie stopped for a rest at 50 meters. Third question is, how long did he stop for? Charlie stopped for 5 seconds. How long did Bob take to complete the race? Bob finished the race in 14 seconds. Calculate Albert's average speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is equal to 100 meters divided by 12 seconds.